In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your LinkedIn password for 2025. Whether you've forgotten your current password or just feel it's time for a change, I'm here to help you through this simple process step by step, ensuring your account remains secure and protected. Let's start by heading to your LinkedIn homepage. You can easily access it through your web browser by entering LinkedIn's URL and logging in if you haven't done so already. Once you're there, take a moment to locate your profile icon. It's usually found in the upper right corner of the page. Click on that icon to open a drop-down menu. Now, from this menu, you'll want to select the option labeled Settings and Privacy. This is where you'll manage most of your account-related settings, including your password. Once you click on Settings and Privacy, you'll be directed to a new page with multiple categories. Here, we're interested in the category called Sign In and Security. Go ahead and click on that to access more specific options. On the next screen, you'll see an option to change password. Click on this to start the password changing process. This step is crucial in ensuring that your LinkedIn account is secure and that you're following best practices by regularly updating your credentials. Now, you'll see fields where you need to input your current password. Enter it in the space provided. If you've forgotten your current password, LinkedIn provides a forgot password link, usually close by, to help you recover and reset it via your registered email. After entering your current password, it's time to create a new one. Make sure your new password is strong and unique. Using a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols is a good practice. Enter the new password in the field, and for security reasons, LinkedIn will ask you to retype it in the next field to confirm your choice. Once you've correctly entered and confirmed your new password, a confirmation button should become clickable. Go ahead and click Save Password to finalize your changes. At this point, LinkedIn will update your password and you'll receive a notification email confirming the change. Remember, regularly updating your password is a key step in maintaining account security. It's a simple and effective way to protect yourself against unauthorized access and potential breaches. So there you have it. You successfully reset your LinkedIn password. I hope this guide was helpful and clear. Stay tuned for more tutorials and don't forget to like and subscribe for future updates. Thanks for watching.